not bad, and it stops too. The brakes are working.
The brakes working.
Brakes are working.
So what all did you do to the car?
Everything. I put an alternator instead of a generator.
Okay.
Rewired the whole car, front to back. All new wires. All new brake lines, front to back. They used to have a washer container for your windshield washer. There's a little container about this big, so you just use it once or twice, and it was empty. So I bought another tank.
Yeah.
And wired all that in there, and then changed the little spritzer thing that shoots onto the windshield. Except the one I bought shoots over the car. So I have to put the old one back in there. It gets the windshield instead.
So did you redo the engine yourself?
I did. I put all the chrome stuff, new carburetor, new distributor, all that kind of stuff. I did all that stuff myself because I'm not picking up the sending unit for the gas tank. It's for the gauge, but it's not picking up on the gas tank. So it looks like I've got an empty tank.
70. It was next to impossible to get to that back right part. It's the same way on the
front. It's the front. That's hard.
Because
I put the socket on there. I have to feel around, make sure it's on there.
Yeah.
But you only get the wrench, the ratchet on there, just barely, and then it goes like a 10 degrees rotation is all you get out of it.
Wow.
I had to get the guy at the gas station to change that one spark plug for me.
Yeah.
Because I'd done everything on that thing. I had to pull the starter out, took it to the shop, had it reworked.
So what year
did the brakes, brakes and oil changes and all kinds of stuff.
Was it hard to find the parts?
No, there's like 3 different really good J-bugs. Another parts thing, and then there's 2 or 3 that I go to that I compare prices all the time, and delivery costs. Some of them are free shipping, some are $10 to ship something.
Nowadays, but back when
I don't think I paid more than $50 for any parts on these.
That's awesome.
Because you got the internet now, but back when we had the 65 Mustang, if I needed parts for that thing, I had to drive about 60 miles one time to get something, and you just didn't have that many places where you could get stuff. Like you can just get on the internet now. I probably told you that when it needed a clutch, they had to order the clutch from South America.
Yeah, it's crazy. Bearing back lug nut for the axle nuts to get the wheel and everything off of there. 275 foot-pounds of torque. So I bought this 6-foot-long metal pipe to put on my wrench. Like I said, you get enough torque out of it to get that off. But then you got to put it back on. It's got a torque to 275. So my son bought me an electric driver. It goes to 300 foot-pounds of torque.
Wow.
Okay. I put that on there. So I had to buy a multiplier that hooks on there, and it comes off the side, and it reduces the torque, the input by 8%, 8 times or something like that. So you drive at like 20 foot-pounds, and it goes to 160 or something like that at the nut. So I use that to pick it out of off.
If I get to Medicare age, I'm golden, man. It's paid for. It's over. But it's not. No, not at all. Healthcare isn't covered by.
What the heck is that?
Ah, okay.
All right, how about this one? Who I am that the Lord. Oh.
their mom and dad had a car like this, a Pontiac, just like this. It was a different color.